This week's feast:
green eggs and ham. Happy March, everybody!
Yes, happy St. Patrick's Day!
Yes!
Top of the morning to you!
So this is like one of the most traditional, like original OG feasts of fiction ever.
Yeah.
Right? Who doesn't know the story of green eggs and ham?
Right.
What I didn't know is that this story is like 62 pages long.
What? Oh
Yeah.
my gosh! Wow, that's the longest children's book ever.
I know, and here's the thing, there's only words on half the page, and they're all huge so that kids can read them. But It's a classic.
Wow.
They go on quite the adventure with these green eggs and ham, but we figured we'd actually try to do a faithful recreation of what you see right here on the cover.
Yep.
The yolks are green, not the egg whites. So we're gonna try and make this. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
And hey, it's about time, I think.
Yeah, who doesn't want to try green eggs and ham? This is something like since childhood, right? Mm-hmm. Look at it and wonder if you'll ever eat green eggs and ham. Well, today, my friends, you're going to eat green eggs and ham.
You're gonna do it.
Well, if you make it. But we're going to make it, and we're going to eat it, and we're going to tell you how it is, and hopefully that encourages you and inspires you to do the same.
Well, let's keep inspiring, and let's cook.
Let's do it.
Place your ham, so says Sam, in a pot that's just the spot. Fill it up with some cups and let it stand, so says Sam, and the water will smother with green food color. Would you like to prepare some eggs? I would like to make them today. It's as simple as it seems. All it takes is a sea of green. So crack an egg and get just the yolk, and let it bathe, cause that's the joke. That all it takes to make things green is a splash of fake green coloring. Now let's cook and make these eggs in a pan with oil and low heat for days. Pour a small bed for your yolks to lay and drop it on top and let it cook away. Remove it carefully onto a plate. Let's check back in on the green ham estate. Warm up your oven and place it inside and let it cook till it's nice and dry. Voila, you've made it, green eggs and ham. Would you like to try it, Mr. Sam I Am? I will eat them in a house. I will eat them with a mouse. I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam I Am.
Hooray!
Yay!
Look at how green it is. It's almost a little too green, to be honest.
Yeah, it's like the greenest thing I've ever seen in my life.
But the eggs, how we made the eggs, so cool. It looks
So
just
cool.
like it does in the book. Great
Nailed
idea.
it.
Now, obviously, food coloring. Again, there's a lot of it in here, but it is safe for you to eat.
Yeah, and it won't kill you.
Nope. All right. Green eggs and green ham.
Wow, that is something else.
Well, it tastes like ham, which is a good sign. Yeah.
There's another more natural way to get this. It's just if you leave the ham on the counter for like 3 weeks. And it molds out.
You actually turn that color when you eat it, too, so.
Wow. Jeez.
All right, I'm going to split one of these suckers on. Let's see what happens. Dunk. Ooh, so now there's a good color. There's a real color. That's what an egg's supposed to look like.
Cool.
So, there we go.
It's like wearing a little green mask.
Yeah, exactly. You know what this could use more of?
Hot sauce.
Delicious. Hot sauce makes everything better.
Pretty sure our insides are going to be green after eating this.
You know what? I don't want to think about that. But I will find out later. Now, a very important part about this book that we didn't get to talk about is page 23.
So let's turn to it, shall we?
Let's turn to it. All right, story time, everyone. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox?
Now, why is this relevant?
Well, we all know why. Kiwi, come here. We have a special little surprise for everybody.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Would you check her
Would you look at this? It's Kiwi.
The St. Patrick's Day fox?
St. Patrick's Day version of Kiwi. She hates it. But you know what, Kiwi? You get a little treat. Some green eggs and ham.
Whoa.
And that's
Kiwi
all you
likes
get
it.
because it's probably not good for you. Aww.
Look at this little girl. She looks so pretty.
She is the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
Right, so now we're blending things. Now we're
Yeah.
talking about St. Patrick's Day and the book.
And the book. And Kiwi, you're in the book. Not in this incredible costume, but you are definitely a good dog.
Yeah, she dressed up for the occasion.
Yeah, she put on the clothes all herself too. It's crazy. Like,
Did she?
Yeah.
Look at her. She's so cute.
She dresses herself every day in the morning.
She's so chill too.
Do you want to make her ears perk up? You know what I say?
What?
I say, do you
want to go for a walk? Oh.
Kiwi, do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Because that's what you're going to get. That's your reward, Kiwi, for being such a good dog. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. 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 You be careful there, Kiwi. Thank you all so much for watching. Kiwi,
Yes.
excuse me. This is human food.
She's ready to chow down on this. We got a huge fan of green eggs and ham over
I
here.
know. Sorry, Kiwi, not for you. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful St. Paddy's Day.
Yep.
Be safe wherever you are in the world. And don't forget to subscribe.
Yep.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram because we have stories. You get to see behind the scenes of how we made all these feasts.
You sure do.
And you also get to see a little bit of, more of us, obviously.
So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, you know what to do. Follow us.
Instagram.com/Instagram. Feast of Fiction. All right, leave a comment. Tell us what you want to see us make next on the show.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.